Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. MLA congratulates local student for outstanding academic achievement. Maruti car engulfed in flames on outskirts of Tura. BSF foils smuggling attempts, seizes contraband along Indo-Bangladesh border. And Tura's Aditya Prasad secures top position in state commerce stream. And now the news in detail. Medbat Lingdo, MLA of Mairang constituency, visited the residence of Kevin Strong Lauranyang in Langste Rim, Pendeng Umyong, Mairang, to extend congratulations on his remarkable academic feat. Kevin secured the 10th position in the top 10 of the science stream as announced by the MBOS on May 8th. Praising Kevin's achievement, Lingdo emphasized the intellectual prowess of students from the outskirts and encouraged them to dedicate themselves to their studies. He remarked that Kevin has brought pride to the district through his outstanding performance. This acknowledgement underscores the importance of academic excellence in fostering local talent.
Ini laksana kalau doktor orang nak biang tu, jadi studi problem dengan mak kita. Jadi doktor kiri mula hingga esoknya orang mau ayok betul doktor lagi tes tu. Tapi satas, macam selap satu kenyataan.
Kemudian kau siap ya kelong ba, nga dapat bagi sukmen tu kawan, UI bagi, na jom kena kedua kain, ki lelak ban poi sio di ketong, jong kaji kun yoki hakai puli putih, tak kalong kena kong ya, waar pada kalong, ni kuda Kevin Lauranyang, pulang wei di kena ibadan kaji start kaji champang, bakam kepang ni kena apa? Nado ke kelas 10 dulu, bukan haka top 20. But mentar udon haka top 10. But your distinction yaki subject barok. Di anak kadau ko ba ngawan susu kalong halor bang aku ban itu ya kena kerja tuli kerja u ya kerja u so jom kerja Kristen ba ini kena onong kedukusa anak bentar kiri zaman dekat kan baru kita sekolah kita college jadi dong kita hanjungi jadi uji orang baru senang kundong ni puli imla punya compete learning imla punya le bagi kena ibadan kita kasar maki sekolah di college kita kamha kemudian dan dari kini kamdei orang kerja kenal nak bentar kuno kerja kun jong kena jong le kena ke UI mentabah ni penuksa nak kalian jong Kevin pen pau sai kedar ba kan mundai bandon ini kan sembo alkom perkat agak bedi bat ke Shillong juman du kena school jong ni kedong patai ba kum kan ke kom perkat kanil kalau penlong pa yaki ba kin hiar mensim ka jing yakon denrei kide susu ka jing sisana ka leng ki bagi di mensim be kani kum ka jing yakon ka wasakai dan ka challenge aka jing in ko jing ba namar bangilong sini dari bandan pun ka jing kli lagi balai bangimla banlong kumalong ki barobor ya kani ngajukran kita sekolah ki program function bekerja nama kebanun kang kadi ke mindset kadi ke komperkan ke jong unu kena abo don nak kadi kedong tan di kani ke pemerintah si ke pau sai kita ba umdai umdon kanu kanu ka jing kang lat kang ti yo unu kena bodon ke mon ban pendap ya kata katong ke bo udon man ka sedem nak kali jong nadu cap pa adu bang sang man long kembali na kadang kawai ka Mairang Constituency Educational Excellence Award kabang CI annually kabang CI ya kita nak juga pas class 10 bagi kena kita pas kelas 12 kemudian ke art science bagi commerce bagi dengan history na jo hot yaki application yaki mark sheet jongki bagi submit na kabanta bangin ai yaki award kum kejing itu bar kejing kunsul go kajuk por na kabanta gitu ya ka tiga cekmat gitu ke hakane kajuk por ni minta kasdan ni le ya kajuk rumah jula ya ka bangin long biang ya ke program ka bangin sesam ya kini award na kabanta kini top 10 kini nak ke bawah top 10 lah kalau kelas 10 kali ke kelas 12 art science but commerce tim submit yaitu mark sheet tu syak itu di bank sa ai gitu kita lah office jonga ini for Mairang lima ke WhatsApp lima ke office jonga kemudian okay Shillong bang ngajukan story di kena dengan kata ba kadon borobo kalat kelenti kadang ini sini ka kum ke kabu ini ya ka bang kun ban long ada ka challenge na kun kita di pakian tapi mat di bang itu le na ka pol sa ka po ha ka di kena sko ha ka bari bakani kalong ka jing sisha ba kamtam ki thain no kun dong ki dong ki kena ki bandang ki start sisha ki pas ki level ko ne nama ka jing duk ka jing kabdu jungki kimna shu tuan khubor ban beteng ki jing puli jungki dekat badon leilat gelenti na kinu kiliang ki bangi persang ya ka ban ai ka support iki kalong ka bae ya ka bangin le kung ta kala gelenti ya way mo le ka government ka don ni scholarship na ko support ko kon wo sem ki ai ya kini kalong ka wi ki chira ne na lor ki pe kidon ki lak ki ni persang ya ka ban ki lak ki na ka ban ta jungki hamtam ki kina ki ba la ban khubor ha ka bari bat ka jing pas ki jungki ka ba kham sakma na ka ban ta ki puli.
A Maruti car burst into flames on Chasingne Road, outskirts of Tura, on Wednesday noon while en route to Rongram town. The driver escaped unharmed before the fire escalated. Suspected causes include a battery leak or petrol pipe leakage. Authorities are investigating the incident. BSF Meghalaya successfully intercepted illegal smuggling attempts along the India-Bangladesh border, seizing cattle, sugar and cosmetic items valued at over Rs 15 lakhs on May 7, 2024. Operations conducted by alert troops led to the confiscation of a significant quantity of cosmetic items in East Khasi Hills district, cattle rescued from BOP Dulai Nala and a large cache of sugar in South Garo Hills. The seized items were handed over to relevant authorities for further legal action, underscoring BSF's commitment to curbing cross-border smuggling activities. Despite a lackluster performance by colleges and higher secondary schools in Garo Hills, Aditya Prasad of Don Bosco College Higher Secondary School in Tura has emerged as a shining star. Aditya clinched the third position in the state's top 10 list for the higher secondary commerce stream announced by M. Bose. Son of businessman Mahavir Prasad, Aditya excelled in economics, business studies, mathematics and accountancy, securing a total of 458 marks. Expressing gratitude to his parents, college and tuition teachers, Aditya aims to pursue a bachelor's degree in commerce and crack the chartered accountancy exam. With exceptional performance in mathematics, he advises youngsters to study diligently and fully enjoy their leisure time. Proud father Mahavir Prasad highlights the achievement as a dream come true, emphasizing that their children achieved success through dedication and without any special privileges.
And also his beloved father to be accompanied him and also to witness this very historic event. Ever since we started in 2014, the higher secondary section here, we almost regularly get the ranks. The first batch actually we got 4, arts 3 of them, first, second and the sixth, and the science third. Except 1 or 2 years we didn't get, but otherwise we are regular in getting.
My name is Aditya Prasad. Actually, I never expected that I will be getting in top 10, but I got top 3rd. My parents are proud and I am happy. I'm thinking to pursue BCom with CA course. I got highest in mathematics, that is 98. I got 4 letter marks.
In which subjects?
Economics 92, business studies 96, accountancy 97, and mathematics 98.
How was the preparation for the exam?
I used to study 2 hours daily with full consistency, and when I was enjoying, I used to just enjoy, and when I was studying, I used to study with full focus. I would like to thank all my teachers, principal, tuition teachers, class teachers, and my parents. They were helping me throughout my journey. My biggest supporter was my tuition teacher, that is Sir Ranjit and Ma'am Sanchita. Yes, I will be preparing hard for it as I am doing CA. I want to score highest mark in CA also, just like I scored top 3rd in Meghalaya in commerce.
हम तो महावीर प्रसाद कपड़ा दुकान है।
अपना दुकान है?
हाँ, हमारा तो देखिए बेटा और बेटी भी है। बेटी तो सेकेंड आया है। हाँ, आज में ही। हाँ, लेकिन बेटा जो इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा हमको मालूम नहीं, क्योंकि उसको भी हम कोई अच्छा स्कूल से नहीं दिया, आपको गोरिया मठ से दिया था। हाँ, लेकिन अभी आपको एक स्टेप मैट्रिक से आपको अच्छा रिजल्ट आया, उसका बाद से अभी अच्छा रिजल्ट आना शुरू हो गया। पढ़ाई में तो आपको दिलचस्प है उसका, लेकिन अभी आगे का तो नहीं बोल सकता हम भी। आगे का तो बोलना मुश्किल है। इसका सपोर्टर आपका खुद ही है। हम लोग के पास उतना समय भी नहीं है। हम तो शॉप में बैठता है, आपको मार्केट में दुकान है। वो अपना ही फोकस खुद दिया है आपको, वो अपना मेहनत खुद किया है, हम लोग उसको एग्री नहीं किया।
Reports from Ribhoi police revealed that unknown miscreants set fire to a tire on the internal PWD road in Umsning. Ribhoi Police Chief Jakpal Singh Dhanau confirmed the incident, stating that it occurred around 3 a.m. Upon receiving the information, police from Umsning police station promptly responded, removing the burnt tires from the scene. An investigation into the matter is currently underway to identify the perpetrators behind this act of vandalism. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.